Good afternoon to everyone. We are guided by our external mentor Tanya Khambulja and internal mentor Yasmin Dandekar. Urban farming is not only growing of plants within and around cities, it is about sustainable way of growing crops not only with technology but more in natural way. Industrial activities are a major source of air, water and land pollution. So urban farming may help reduce some environmental impacts if we start implementing this practice in industrial area. The other objectives of choosing industrial areas are employees are benefited. Some of the employees working in the industry are farmers, migrated from villages, so they get an opportunity to farm on small scale. Green policy reduce impacts of existing industry, provides fresh food for workers and their families. Environmental guidelines for industries suggest that the industries must care about the surrounding environment and minimize the adverse impact of industrial operations in the immediate neighborhood as well as distant places. Green vegetation cover is beneficial in many ways, leading to conservation of biodiversity, retention of soil moisture, recharge of groundwater, and maintaining pleasant microclimate of the region. In addition, vegetation cover can also absorb pollutants from the environment and helps in effective pollution control. It is very helpful in pandemic situation as well. If in future this situation arises and we have provision of urban farming, workers won't suffer. And even the workers working in the industry need to eat healthy food. Growing food crops in and near cities contributes to healthy communities by engaging residents in work and recreation that improves individual and public well-being. These innovative growing methods prioritize sustainability, which plays a key role in making sure that our urban creations have the least negative impact on the environment. These are some recycled pots used for gardening. In bottles we can grow herbs and in drums or cans we can grow crops which has bigger roots. The water can be used to get rid of monkeys or squirrels. Growing native plants helps in maintaining ecological balance. Mulching is a process where natural material like agricultural waste decomposes naturally. It is the most sustainable technique as it gives us one of the best benefit of retaining moisture in soil. Also, the organic part of the material contributes to the fertility of the soil. It decays over time and it increases the water holding capacity of the soil. As regard to industry, Nasik is a part of Golden Triangle of industrial Maharashtra. Because of this, the city of Nasik is expanding in terms of industrialization. The city covers two industrial clusters, namely MIDC Satpur and MIDC Ambad. These are the locations where we can do urban farming with some objectives and some factors of sustainability. Extensive roofs are thin line weight roof systems that typically have a planting media measuring 6 to 20 centimeters deep, while heavier, thicker green roofs are known as intensive roofs, and their growing media ranges from 20 centimeters to 100 centimeters thickness. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that has the potential to save water and nutrients by allowing water to drip slowly to the roots, either from above the soil surface or buried below the surface. We have listed down local vegetables and fruits of Nasik according to the seasons, which can be easily grown. Different vegetables need different amount of sunlight to produce enough food to grow and maintain health and vigor. There are even some plants which are shade-loving plants, for example, coriander and methi. Rooftop farming can provide insulation to the building, and these factors translate to less use of heating and cooling systems, which saves significant amount of energy and money. Here we can even do companion planting. By combining vegetables, herbs and flowers in a single garden, you can create a planting which is diverse, attractive and multifunctional. Some of the other examples are corns and beans. The beans can provide nitrogen to the soil, which is useful for the corns, and on the other hand, corns provide natural fence for the beans, and large leaves provide shade to the soil and maintain moisture. Even roses goes well with onions, garlics, or tomatoes. We can do farming in industries which have backyard, and it will help to control the environment. In this proposal, we have merged lunch area for workers with backyard farming. Some of the industries have internal road, and at the edges of those road there are trees and bushes grown. So instead of that, we can provide bioswales. One of the problem faced by industries in Nasik is disposal of industrial wastewater in open land. Bioswales are features that collect polluted water runoff, soak it into the ground, and filter out pollution, which can be used for farming. The types of plants used in bioswale are woody plants, heliophytes, and other higher growing plant species. In this proposal, we have just used the backyard for farming. Growing fruit trees and medicinal trees like neem and surrounding will have immense benefits and keep the temperature under control. Rooftop farming provides opportunities for social interaction and individual recreational opportunities. Carbon footprint can be reduced because the employees who are going 1 to 2 kilometers for buying vegetables every day will stop going because they will easily get fresh vegetables every day. Here we have used raised beds. Raised bed gardening is a form of gardening in which the soil is enclosed in a small container unit made of brick, wood, or plaster. The soil is compacted and the roots have an easier time growing. These beds can be installed on roof as well as on ground. Growing a balcony garden encourages the flow of fresh air, which benefits healthy living and will provide access to fresh produce even if in small quantities. We can grow plants like cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, etc., and flowers like roses, marigold, hibiscus can also be grown. Urban agriculture can have an overall positive impact on community health, which directly impacts individual social and emotional well being. Thank you.